Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the one topic that is city creation. In this, we are talking about the universe, people's age, basically. That minimum age is basically 1 lakh year, basically. And here, basically, Earth planet says that basically we have already calculated and we have basically 90 years age, basically. 90 year age means Earth planet people basically can get up to 90 years age basically, and Microsoft told that basically 3400 more than 3000 age basically they can give only one person basically can have a more than 3000 age basically. So you can just imagine basically. And here basically current earth planet generation, that is the human generation, telling that basically we they can give 1 month. In this basically the Ayodhya Ram Mandir groups basically are telling that they can give 7 days basically. So just see basically lots of people says that why the world actually created. So this basically one of the reason basically, just one of the reason basically. There might be many reason basically, but this is basically one of the reason, that is the world basically created. You can say this is one of the smallest reason basically. You can say like this basically there might be many reasons basically. So 1 month basically they can give. Currently it's 90,000 year, and 1 month basically they can give. So you can just imagine basically. Somebody people says that basically suddenly basically earthquake happened basically without power company and nuclear power company intimation. Then it was that yes. So this basically is the reason basically. 1 month they have given the guarantee basically. That's why. I will take one example. Assume that basically currently earthquake came basically. Currently where the earthquake came basically, just a minute. France earthquake came. This all are basically small. Italy earthquake came. Turkey earthquake came. India last when earthquake basically came. India earthquake basically came. Kashmir earthquake basically came. Nicobar earthquake came. Kashmir again basically. Then basically the Haryana earthquake came. Before basically. So like this basically. Then Kashmir basically. So Kashmir came first. Then basically Haryana. Like this basically the earthquake came, right, basically. So this is live data basically given by the France group basically. So France group have basically. So just now basically in Haryana basically is one earthquake came, right, basically. Then into the DS basically in Haryana basically the earthquake came. So there basically it might possible that basically somebody might be going to die, or basically this type of information basically might be connected basically. How that basically that particular data only basically might be having. So one of the person told that basically how much powerful the particular person is basically. According to that basically the power company itself sometimes change the data basically. But rich people basically, powerful means rich people only basically, because rich people only basically can become powerful basically. So they basically sometimes change the data, or basically sometimes basically France group basically ask for money basically, that this is the amount basically you have to pay, and basically you pay the amount basically. Like this basically they pay the amount, then basically they get the data basically. That also in the power format basically. They basically never gives the data antibiotic directly basically. And then basically the rich people basically periodically checks the blood cells data also basically. That basically is also one of the reason basically, to track basically how which type of data basically they have done the error, and due to that basically they got the disease basically. So this type of thing basically are also basically there basically. So it's not easy basically. Lots of people say that it's not easy to create the city only. Reason, when you create the city this directly gets effect, and this creates problem also basically. So this is not supposed to create problem, and this is not supposed to get effect basically. So that's why basically each and every city basically when they the IITs, IIMs, and the IAS group basically, and the city MLAs, corporators, and the chief ministers, and the health minister, and the finance minister, and the prime minister, and the presidents. They basically, when they plans the city, their admin department plans the city. That time basically they takes care of this each and everything basically. Then only basically the things gets into the picture basically. Otherwise basically this will never gets creates basically, and this will, for example, one of the person told that if this will affect basically anything is going to happen to the current generation, then basically the things basically are very dangerous basically. If this is going to affect, and if this is going to affect, this basically current generation is doing basically, right? But this basically is not done, but this is also basically connected with current generation also. So assume that basically this got affected, but this will affect basically. That is the one question basically. One of the person told that if the data basically is going to of the current creation basically will merge with this data, that is the 90,000 year data, then basically it will 100% get effect. If the data is not tested, that's why basically every time people says that basically we keep our 20 percentage money in the testing only basically. For example, 1 crore project basically money basically is the budget, so they keep 20 lakh basically into testing only. Reason is this only, the 90,000 people, 90,000 year basically, and the 1 month basically which is already getting created, that gets effect basically. That's why basically. So Microsoft keeps their testing basically of the products basically in very dangerous level also. For example, Microsoft keep up to the level basically, that is, I will take one example just. For example, Microsoft Corporation people basically created one product basically, small product basically, contact information basically. In that also basically there would be any error basically. Just imagine basically, just simple add, modify, delete is there, and just a few name and address and book, phone number, this that, each and every PAN number, this that, and some account information, this that, basically personal information they basically keep side. In that basically would be any error. Then also basically they keeps the log file basically there. By chance basically if error any comes, reason that 90,000 and 1 month basically. So for that basically they never take the chance basically. That's why they keeps a log file in any of the small products also basically. Any of the small products basically. Any of the small products they keeps the log file basically. So you can just imagine basically the Microsoft Corporation's power basically. Microsoft Corporation power basically. So you can just imagine the power of Microsoft Corporation basically. Microsoft Corporation power basically. And Microsoft Corporation power is given by Oxford Group basically, that is 35 words basically. So Microsoft got the power from Oxford University. That basically nobody can say that basically Microsoft has not got this, that basically. So in next video basically we are going to talk about the Microsoft Corporation only basically. How basically Microsoft Corporation basically infrastructure is, this is, and everything basically.